That's that's salt water right there. It's just water, tap water from the tap, which I know I'm supposed to use distilled water. But for this experiment, this is a very small scale. They're 1/8 inch, very small, very small surface area. This is soapy water. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna freaking technically or whatever, we could actually do it that way too, whatever I guess. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. So now we have a cord here coming right off the main line here. 12.55 volts maximum. Eight amps. Last time we did it was 7 volts at 5 amps. So that's salt water in there, Teflon. It's got Teflon and everything in there. I'm just screwing the bottom on, the top, not screwing the top because then that would twist everything around. And I'm going to shake it up in the salt water. And now that's on there and it's been shaken up. It just has tap water on it with some salt. And here's our cord. Basically. Yeah, we got 8 amps, 9.2 volts. Alright, let's bring this poppy over here. Alright, and now this is, so what did I say? 8 and 8 amps, 8 volts. Yeah. Let's check our voltage real quick. Okay, 7 at 8. 7 times 8 is whatever the wattage is. Get this goddamn hose away from the thing. Alright, now it's away. So we have our set of bubbles there that have hydrogen and oxygen pumped into it. Okay, set of bubbles right there. Maybe we'll come back over here real quick and we'll put a little more in there. That's the volume of gas that's the accumulation of bubbles that you see there. There's a volume of gas that's been collected throughout the group of bubbles. Alright, we got that puppy right there. We're good. We got I want to make a big bubble. Yeah, like bigger ones. On the top here. There you go. 3 big bubbles to represent H2O. There you go. That should be a nice one. Alright, what we'll do. That's insane. Holy shit. Okay, and then we dig in a little bit more. Put the hose in there. Technically, we should have some bigger ones here. I don't know really how to make bigger bubbles here, but look at this, watch. Look, right in my hand, basically, if I can do it. Yeah, it's too shallow, but yeah, you get the idea. Oh my god. 7.4 volts, 8.10 amps. Those bubbles are no good. Pretty sure of this because watch, it's just regular soap bubbles. Yeah, it did do it. There was bubbles already there. But these bubbles are just regular soap bubbles. See? See how they don't have anything in them? See? Nothing there. But if we make one nice one, let's do that one. Ouch. Like that. Watch this tiny little bubble. That's it, that little tiny little bubble. Watch this one. Fucking hose starts making bubbles. You can actually do that, but then it would blow back up into the thing. You see the ripple in the water? That was pretty cool. Look at this fucking thing. Like it was lighter than the air. Come on, get off. Look at that. Look. It was flying. Look at it. It's going up in the air. Goodbye. stop it from doing that. Okay. Light that stupid thing on fire. This video really doesn't do it any justice. Holy shit. Just little bubbles. Just little ones. Little bubbles. Alright. Get off. Look. Hydrogen and oxygen bubbles. There goes another one. Another one. Hydrogen and oxygen. Boom. Keep flames away from the hose part. Don't ever set the hose on fire or the bubbles. It'll go back into the thing or whatever, and this whole thing right here will explode. So don't ever light the hose, the end of it, no matter how tempting, even if it's creating bubbles, never light the end of the hose, ever. Rule number 1. Unless you have a frickin' system or whatever to stop the back flow whenever everybody got some big bubbles now. That's a lot of goddamn hydrogen and oxygen right there. Look at this one. Look at this puppy. Look at this little puppy right here. Hydrogen and oxygen in there. There it goes. There it goes. Never light that on fire. Guess what's inside that bubble right there? Guess what's inside that one? Want to find out? Gas is inside that. Hydrogen and oxygen was inside that little bubble that was on the handle. We're good here. Yeah, we're good. It's going down a little bit. That door.